Here in Steyr we manufacture engines. This means that we do not assemble cars, but that we actually produce the heart of the engine. We manufacture crankcases, cylinder heads, connecting rods, crankshafts, and new electrical housings. Our core competence lies in the precision and expertise of our employees. Standards and accuracy are extremely high. These are the basis for our high-quality drive components. Our new training center has state-of-the-art facilities. In 2022, we will have taken on and trained the first 25 apprentices, and in 2023 we will have taken on 35 new apprentices. In principle, we have a completely modern machine park. We teach on the latest equipment, whether it's machining, electrical engineering or PLC programming. We are at the cutting edge of technology in all specialist areas. BMW stands for quality. As a matter of principle, apprentices learn everything they need to know about life at BMW from the very beginning. When you walk into our workshop, you can see the state of the art. We want to pass on this knowledge to our apprentices in the best possible way. In fact, our machine park offers everything that is technically possible. Emco has many years of experience in the field of training machines. It is important to note that Emco manufactures the entire range of products required by BMW for training, from universal lathes to multitasking lathes. At BMW's request, we have also equipped our CNC machines with the Siemens Cinemeric 1 control system. I believe BMW was the first training workshop in Austria to offer this top equipment. As I mentioned earlier, we can definitely differentiate ourselves by offering everything from small machines to large multitasking machines. Service is also very important to Emco. We have 30 service engineers in Austria alone and 14 service engineers on the hotline. This is available to our customers free of charge. We have supplied a total of 21 machines to the BMW training center, ranging from conventional turning and milling machines to CNC turning and milling machines, which we have equipped with Cinemeric 1. We also received a follow-up order to supply 2 more CNC milling machines for toolmaking, which we also equipped with Cinemeric 1. This is a great project for Emco. We are state-of-the-art. The premises are beautifully designed and open plan. We have all the facilities and the best technology for optimal training. This creates a wow effect for the young people. They should say, I want to work at BMW.